Hello, my name is Nikita Loganov, and today I'll be doing my presentation about a way to bring musical acts to your party or your venue without having to directly contact a booking agent, and it'll be in your budget and it'll be on the right dates that you would like it on. So this is the need for my product or service. Typically when booking a music act for the venue or party, one would need to directly contact the artist booking agency and have to go back and forth about dates and pricing. However, this service when going on the website, you'd be able to select the dates and your price point. This would be done through the company already previously by reaching out to hundreds of artist managements and building a spreadsheet of available days and booking fees. This would make it much less complicated on the customer's end on how to directly get the act that they would like, and they'd be able to view the price points on the website instead of having to go hours and hours back and forth with a booking agent. So the solutions to going through my website. One of the solutions would be saving hours, like how I just stated, of time going back and forth with people. Another one is having the possibility of the time not working. We can prevent that by having select dates already posted of the artist's availability. And lastly, finding an artist that is right for your budget. Some objections. With this service, there would be a small fee, probably around 5–10%. And it would be of the total booking costs. However, this way of booking an artist, you would save time knowing for certain that the artist you are wanting to book in your budget, and he'll be available on those specific dates that your party or venue is requesting for. This is picturing life after you purchase the service. With this service, if by any chance an act cancels that you have previously booked already, not through our website, you have the possibility of booking a new one immediately, within days that artists can come and play for you. If that isn't the case, and you just need to book on your budget, this is the best way to do it, as you'd be able to see the artist price points before you make the purchase. Commitment. With a commitment to this company, you are able to get the best customer service imaginable, and every client is able to get last-minute bookings. There is no company that would be able to do this in such a short time notice other than this one. Looking through other companies that are similar to this one, there was no direct company that would be able to both have available dates of the artist and secondly having the price point of the artist already available on the website. Most of the websites, they have an option where you go and contact them directly, and you would have to ask them for these dates and the price. You book through emailing, but this way there would be a calendar already available on the website page, and by clicking on the calendar you'd be able to both look at what artists are available, and if that doesn't suit you, you are able to select by price. There's artists that range from $1,000 a show to well over $1 million a show. And with this company, you would be able to do both of those right at your fingertips within days' notice. And you would be able to create a good environment with a good space at a small fee that you'd be paying towards the company on top of the booking fee. That'll be all for my presentation. Thank you so much. My name is Nikita Loganov.